Hi! In front of me is Oppo A53s, and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply animated live wallpaper called Magic Fluids. First of all, go into Play Store, tap on the search bar and type in Magic Fluids. Following that, just download this free app from this developer and open it. Now click on those three lines at the bottom right corner, select Settings, tap on I accept in the pop-up and adjust all of those wallpaper settings however you want to. When you're ready, you need to click on top right corner and then bottom one again. This time though, choose Set as Live Wallpaper, click on Set as and pick home screen or home screen and lock screen. Now when I go back, I can see that my wallpaper has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!